Alcohol is a thief, and you know it. It has robbed you every single day. It has robbed you emotionally. It has robbed you physically. It has robbed you financially. It has robbed you in your business. It has robbed you from your kids. Yet for some reason, you keep going back. You tell yourself, come Monday, I'm done. After this holiday, I'm done. The time comes and you do nothing. My question to you today is this: how much longer do you want to allow alcohol to rob you? How long? To rob you of business opportunities, time with your kids, intimacy with your wife. How long? I would imagine, if you're like me, not much longer. So I've got a question for you today. What would your life be like if you could just drink like a normal drinker? Just have one drink. What would it be like? I'll tell you how it would be. You would have more confidence. You'd have better connection with your wife, better sex with your wife, more love, more freedom, more happiness. Your life would be on fire and you would be a winner. But you keep choosing drinks. You keep choosing alcohol. It's not that your family is less important. It's not that your future is less important. It's that you just don't know how to do what you need to do. But today, I have an opportunity for you. I put together a video where I show you how I've done this, how over 12,000 plus men have done it, and how today you can do it as well. But it's gonna require you to commit, you to learn, you to click this link. If you're sitting here this long, something I said has resonated with you. So what are you waiting for? Click the link and I'll see you on the other side.